MySQL, one of the most recognizable technologies for big data in the complete developer ecosystem. It is more often called the most popular database and is currently being enjoyed globally. With MySQL, you can build fast, reliable, and secure relational databases. It is clear that if you are involved with database in any form, then you must be familiar with MySQL. And for that, you will need to practice MySQL a lot. Also, you can't sit all day long on a chair in front of a desktop. To avoid this, you may want to practice MySQL on a more portable device. Undoubtedly, your smartphone is the most portable as well as powerful device. And that is why in this video, we are going to install MySQL in our Android phones. Before starting, make sure that you follow the instructions properly and watch the video till the end. If you skip this video, you won't be able to use MySQL. So without wasting any more of time, let's get started with the procedure. To install MySQL, we will need an application called Termux. This application is available on Play Store. You can go and download it from Play Store. Or there's a link given in the description box. Just go and download the latest version of Termux application from there. Once you have installed this application, open it, and now we just need to run a single command to install MySQL on our Android phones. For that, type pkg install mariadb and hit enter. This will take some time according to the size of the package and your internet connection speed. Congratulations guys, you just installed MySQL on your Android phone. But wait, don't skip the video. As I said earlier, you won't be able to use MySQL normally, so wait for me to demonstrate how to use it properly. Firstly, into a terminal, we will type mysqld_safe to initiate the MySQL server. We need to initiate the server every time we need to work with the database in the MySQL. Once the server is started, we will move into a new session in the terminal. For that, scroll from the left side of your screen to open the sidebar and now tap on the new session button. And in here, in the second window, we will type MySQL to work with database inside MySQL. In my case, it didn't work because I have set a password for my MySQL client. So I have to use the "-p flag to authenticate with the password protection. You don't need to use this flag if you haven't created the password for your MySQL client. So this is how you use MySQL on your Android phones. Also, if you want a detailed course on MySQL, drop a comment down below. If you love this content, kindly like the video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified of the videos I will upload in the future. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and keep learning consistently.